Hello humans, we're going to be talking about solving and graphing inequalities. It's not going to be too painful. We'll save the painful stuff for tomorrow in class. Right now, we're going to just talk about solving stuff that's pretty simple, like so. If you have 4 times the difference of 2m and 3 is less than or equal to, say, something like 5 times the quantity of 2m plus 1 and negative 3m. So, not a big deal. You can just simplify both sides first by double rainbowing. 4 times 2, 8m. 4 times neg 3, negative 12. Over here you've got 10m after that, and then 5. And you still have negative 3m. Combine like terms if you have them on either side, 7m and 5. And then over here you've got 8m minus 12. Variables on both sides, so let's kill some. Goodbye. And you have just 1m over here. Oh, this one's easier than we thought. And a 5 left over to get m by itself. Let's add 12 on both sides. And now you've got Callan coming in the door, and you've got m less than or equal to 17. But what does this all mean? Good question. Well, it means that just got smaller. Also, it means that m is telling you that you're interested in the numbers that are less than or equal to 17. And remember, you're reading from the variable here, so you're reading m first, m less than equal to 17. On a number line, here's 17. If you just want the numbers that are less than 17, that's the numbers to the left. Less, left, oh my gosh, pneumatic device. That helps you remember something. Okay, moving on. Now I gave you some time to think about this, and I hope you recognized that this needs to be a filled-in circle, because this statement says the numbers that are less than or equal to 17. So you should be including 17. In order to say that you are, you have to have a filled-in circle at the number 17, and then you're talking about all the numbers that are to the left. Reviewing what this actually means. This means that you can put in the number 16 into the original inequality up here, and you'll get a true statement. The stuff on the left will be less than the stuff on the right. Awesome. Here's another example and a reminder of when you need to be careful as you're solving these inequalities. So as you clean up this left side or simplify this left side, you've got negative 3 times 4m, there you have it, and then negative 3 times 2. Here we are, we're on our way. You've got variables on both sides, so let's get rid of some. And let's get all the variables on the same side. Here we are, as long as we do the same thing on both sides. Negative 6m. Here's where you've got to be careful. If you're multiplying or dividing an inequality by a negative number, which we are in this case, if you're multiplying or dividing, we're dividing in this case, by a negative number, not that you're dividing a negative number, it's that if you're dividing by a negative number, what you have to do is reverse this inequality sign in order to maintain the integrity of the inequality. So here we have it. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Negative divided by negative is positive. So you're really interested in the numbers, reading from the variable. In this case, the variable's on the right. So the numbers greater than or equal to, 1. On a number line, here's 1, here's equal to 1, and here's greater than 1. This takes care of any number that will work for your solution. Unlike an equation, inequalities tell us a set of numbers that'll make this original statement up here true. An equation has 1, maybe 2 values that are true. This has infinitely many values that are true, as long as it's a number that's to the right of 1. Hooray! And real quickly, just to show another example of when you would need to switch the inequality sign, if you have something like this, right there, very simple inequality, but notice what you'll have to do to solve. M is being divided by -3, so you'd have to multiply by, again, keyword, by the negative, two keywords, by negative. If you're multiplying an inequality by a negative, you have to reverse the inequality sign. The 3's will go away here, left with M, and then -36. So you're interested in the numbers that are numbers, read from the variable, that are greater than -36. If this is -36, you're looking for the numbers that are to the right, or greater than -36. Do we enclose the circle? No, because it's strictly greater than. There is no or equal to idea with this inequality, so these are the numbers that will work for that inequality. Yay, solution. Okie dokie, try these problems and bring them tomorrow, or you will never ever see the light of day again. I'm not kidding. Pause the video so you can look at these, do them, bring them tomorrow. Bye.